Wouldn't it be great if your flush valve could match the design of your restroom? Did you know that you can achieve design consistency by coating our prox and wave sensor kits with your own special finish when you purchase the detachable version? This is how you receive the kit when you acquire it from us. You should detach the plate like this if you would like to produce it in your own special finish. This is the part that can be coated with your own finish to create a consistent design look for a visually connected washroom. Thanks for watching.